Alright, this is 10445 108th Street in Largo. And I got a thunderstorm brewing on top of me, so I'm going to try to get this inspection done before we get rained on here. So our pipe's underwater, but it's clear water so we can see. That's a fitting, and we got roots right where it turns to clay. We got more roots. Probably going to come up on a section here that is going to be totally full of roots. So the clay pipe, they've put it in sections, and at each one of the joints is where the roots grow into it. So this is our bad area right here. So I'm going to locate where this is. Probably going to be out in the backyard. Alright, so I got that marked. Trying not to stir this up because I'd like to see, if I can, where the sewer comes out of the house. Alright, so that looks like a cast iron 90 right there. That first 90 we went through. Let's see if I can tell what we're in here. So there's our cast iron 90. And then I believe it was right after that is where, yep. So here's our first spot. Okay, I'm going to mark this guy. Alright, so I got that located. Sewer comes out of the back of the house, and then it turns and heads towards, if you're looking at the front of the house, the right side, the right property line. And it's just all backed up with roots. I'm going to conclude the video.